What's up, guys? It's your boy Boa, and we finally made it to our hotel. This is the Park Hyatt Kyoto hotel, and this is probably the fanciest hotel I've ever stayed at. So let's take a look at the room. So the first thing you have here, a nice luggage area. Well, it's too small for luggage. Oh wow, look at this. You got nice robes. You have brush. You have laundry service. Guys, look at this. Have you ever seen a laundry bag that looks like this? Look at these hangers. Even these hangers are very fancy. So here are the room slippers. And they even have a small one. Small, medium, and large. You guys gotta see this. Okay, an espresso machine, hot water machine, the fanciest cups I've ever seen. That's the ice bucket. This is the price menu for the drinks. I mean, just look at the whiskey right there. The whiskey right there is 4,000 yen. You got the champagne for 12,000 yen. Pretty expensive. But you know, you're staying at the Park Hyatt. You got the wine cooler here with some soda, beer, champagne, water. There's really no space for you to put your own stuff. Let's see what's in here. Oh my gosh, look how nice this is. Inside of the drawers is velvet covered. So when you pick up something or you put something down, it's nice and quiet. You have tea. I've never seen tea like this. This is so funny looking. Then we have down here, which is, wow, look at this champagne glass. And the drawers are also covered in velvet. Wine glass. Down here you have some more cups. Oh, and then also we have chocolate here.
Is that complimentary?
I don't see on the...
I dropped the chocolate.
I don't see the chocolate on the list right here. See? Oh, chocolate, $8. This room is very special. This is probably one of the fanciest hotel rooms I ever stayed in. The attention to detail. Look at the texture of the walls right here. Nothing is plain wall. It's all textured wood. You have a nice big mirror right here at the entrance, so you can check yourself out before you leave your room. The room temperature is controlled, and I'm telling you, the AC is like super strong in here. Last night I put it down all the way to like 18. Oh my god, the AC is like really cold. Let's get into the bathroom area. You can close this to add a little bit more privacy to the room. Let's go into the bathroom. All right, this is crazy, guys. Look at this. Look at this jumbled mirror and double sink. Marble top sinks. You got towels here, towels here. You have an amenities kit inside this box. You have a Dyson hairdryer. Now, I almost ran into this door right here because it's a door going to the toilet. Close that up, and now we go into the shower room. Very nice tub, walk-in shower. The water pressure is so strong. And if you want a nice hot shower, my God, the water gets really hot. I think this will fill up pretty quickly. All right, let's get into the bedroom. Here you have a king size bed. It's very comfortable. You have a nightstand for each side of the bed. You have a nice, huge armchair here. Big screen TV. Just look at the ceiling. Like I was telling you guys, nothing in this room is normal. Everything is covered in quality, in wood. And of course, this is the main attraction. This room is the garden view room. We are on the 7th floor of the hotel. You don't exactly see the garden from this view. You will have to stand over here and look down to see the garden view. If you sit at this angle right here, or you sitting on the bed, you have a direct view right here. It's the best view ever. If you really want to sit back and relax in the middle of a big city like Kyoto and just relax, this is like, there's nothing better than this. Let's say if I was laying in bed right here and I was looking out, my goodness, look at this view. Very nice comfy sofa. Wow, it's rainbow.
Where is that rainbow?
Yeah. So that's it for the room tour. The rest of this video, I'm going to show you guys everything else about the hotel. When you stay here, you actually wanna hang out in the lobby area and the common areas. I mean, this whole hotel is like some kind of like mini resort because you could just hang outside in the lobby or in the other areas. Just see for yourself. These chains right here, you know what they are? Yeah. So all the drain. I wonder if we can see it. You see? Oh, it's dripping down right here. Oh, saw it. This garden right here belongs to the restaurant. You can only walk through here if you actually have restaurant reservations. Not sure we're gonna eat there. That one. Yes. Park Hyatt Kyoto. They also have taxi service. It's complimentary. This car can fit 1, 2, 3, 4 people.
How do you know it's complimentary?
No, that's what they said. Yeah.
I don't know.
This girl is so pretty.
This is my room 716, and I am walking down the hallway. Right now we are on the 7th floor. Do you guys see how nice this hallway is? You see how the light is reflecting to the ceiling? Wow, it's nice. So walking very slowly, even though your room is all the way down the hallway, you can get to the elevator within 1 minute of walking. That's where I am, 7th floor. You see how this map, this is printed onto the walls. So I'm on the 7th floor. I need to get to the 5th floor first. From the 5th floor, then we can access the elevator, go into the main lobby. This room right here is kind of like the library room. You can sit here, relax, read some book, do some work. But honestly, I wouldn't chill here because the room is way better looking than this place. Anyway, it's just a nice thing to see in a hallway. Now we get into the open area. You can smell all the trees. Since it was raining the whole day today, the rain makes a very nice smell. Let's get in here. So if I turn left, this is a ramp. But if I turn right, this will bring me into another lobby. There's water here. They call this the tea lounge. Let's imagine I was sitting here with my laptop, nighttime view of the city. It's not much of a view, everything is very dark. So pretty much this is what you would be experiencing sitting at the tea lounge. All right, so let's go down the elevator. Right now we are on number 5. So let's go to number 4. So I guess it's a restaurant. I don't have reservations, so I'm gonna get out of here. So let's go to 3. This is the wellness center. So guys, this is the gym. You have cucumber water, got headphones. Oh, they have a very nice rolling machine right here. I'm guessing this is the spa room. All right, guys, let's go back to the elevator and let's hit up the lobby. So this is it, guys. This is the lobby. Passing through the main lobby, you have an entrance area. As you guys know, I rented a car in Japan, and this hotel has a direct parking lot. So if you drive your car up over here, you just give your keys to the staff, they will take care of the car. And it comes pretty quick. Today when we went out around the city, they gave us umbrellas. All right, so now we're gonna go to B1. All right, I'll show you guys this tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna have breakfast here at the bistro. Okay, let's go to B1. So what happens here at B1? This is the level where they host the wedding reception. I wonder if I open this door right now, would it let me in? Nope, locked. And this is the kitchen where all the chefs will cook the meals. These are the restrooms. You see, guys, I've been walking around this hotel for quite a while right now, and you can see how little people there is. Oh, this is the only smoking spot in the whole hotel. It's in the level B1. Wow. Smells so good. This is the house, old fashioned. Right now we are on the 4th floor. This is the teppanyaki restaurant, Yasaka. You need reservations. Okay, let's take a look. That house right there is the Michelin restaurant. So let's go take a look. Let's take a look. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video of the Park Hyatt Kyoto hotel walkthrough. For the next video, I will be showing all the foods we ate during the Kyoto trip. As always, thanks for watching. I see you guys in the next video. Have a nice day.